guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, what's up? I'm Ray. Thank you so much for being here. So today I want to do something a little bit different, kind of like a vlog style, what I eat in a day type video. It's about to be spring, so it's getting warmer and I want to get back into working out and eating healthier, and I know I've been saying that for months, but this time I really mean it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel before we get started, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. So for breakfast, we have 2 buttermilk waffles with some black cherry Greek yogurt on top and some fruit. So it's around 2 o'clock now, and I'm going to sit down and have lunch. Today I'm having a chicken Caesar salad from Market 32 with a little bit of creamy Caesar dressing. Those run very high cal and pretty high fat, so I am going to try to use just a little bit. And I'm definitely not going to use both packages at all. So, yeah, this is my lunch for today. I'll usually have like a sandwich or a wrap, or even like a skinny macaroni and cheese serving. But yeah, that's what I'll have for lunch. Alright guys, now it's time for dinner. Well, I have to start prepping dinner. It's around 5 o'clock right now, so I'm going to prep dinner. I'm making a chicken, broccoli, cheesy quinoa dish for my whole family tonight, and I wanted to start it early so that by the time it's done, everyone is home, so we don't have to eat, at 10 o'clock at night. So, yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below what you want to see next from me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Hit that little notification bell to be notified every time I upload, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!